Digital artist Yoneyama is yet another example of the importance of value in color theory. Similar to artists like Mika Picasso, in many of Yoneyama's pieces, they use a wide variety of saturated colors with little emphasis on a particular color scheme. This is possible due to the values of each painting. If you check the grayscale version of their paintings, you can see that the wide difference in colors isn't noticeable. This is probably one of the biggest contradictions in art, which there are many. I think many people find color theory very daunting, but funnily enough, if you want to, you can just kind of throw everything aside and focus purely on using proper value and shading, because at the end of the day, if the value looks right, the colors will too. This is why I highly suggest before you even touch color that you spend a significant amount of time in the beginning of your studies practicing how to paint only in grayscale. Then, once you have a decent understanding of value, you can transition to using color. Another thing to note is that despite there being a very wide variety of colors in each piece, you can still find a hint of a color scheme in every one. This is not uncommon. Most paintings have at least some presence of a color scheme, especially when using such saturated colors like Yoneyama does, but it's the large variety in accent colors that gives this effect of no color scheme at all. Now, this is where it gets a bit complicated. I know I just said you can kind of throw everything aside and just worry about value, and there's some truth to that. However, as I just showed with the color schemes still being present despite not looking like they were, you still have to have a proper understanding of color theory. But, as we can see from Yoneyama's work, you have a lot more leeway when it comes to using color than you might think. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out Yoneyama's socials, and if you enjoyed the video, have any questions, or have any suggestions for future analysis videos, please let me know in the comments below.